rusted Cadillac.
This is it, folks.
Pretty cool. Now, when we go down to the campground, we have to look up this way and say,
Yeah, that's where we're camping, right down there. Ah, this is just awesome.
awesome.
Come on, let's go.
Where do you see it? Capstone.
Yeah.
Wonder why it's carved.
I want to go to one of those programs. Ask the ranger what about you.
Full tank of gas and a telly in the back. Got some money from the gigs I played. That's what it takes to keep the blues away. Keep the blues away. Keep the blues away. One step ahead of trouble every day. Keep the blues away. Keep the blues away. Rolling down on life's highway. That's what it takes to keep the blues away. Duct tape on my cowboy boots, Stetson hat and a rhinestone suit. Ladies like the songs I play. They love to keep the blues away. Keep the blues away. Keep the blues away. One step ahead of trouble every day. Keep the blues away. Keep the blues away. Rolling down on life's highway. That's what it takes to keep the blues away. There's a gal in every town likes to see me come around, waiting with a smile upon her face. And that's what it takes to keep the blues away.
In search of the KPG. Little slick. Aha!
Wasn't it right?
Cropped out. Cropped out.
Oh man. Is this what it looked like after the dinos died?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Bench. Still pretty high. We did good.
It's good. We're gonna die, but it's okay. Oh my gosh, this is great.
Keep the blues away. Rolling down on life's highway. That's what it takes to keep the blues away. There's a gal in every town likes to see me come around, waiting with a smile upon her face. And that's what it takes to keep the blues away. step ahead of trouble every day. Keep the blues away, keep the blues away. Rolling down on life's highway, that's what it takes to keep the blues away. Rolling down on life's highway, that's what it takes to keep the blues away.
Shadow people.
Bench shadows.
David, what the hell is that?
Tyrannosaurus Rex. Vertebrae. Wow. The skull's just below the ground.
Whoa!
See that? That's one of the horns sticking out. Yeah, that's cool.
Double on that.
Damn, that's cool.
Now the lone bench. But now we're lost in this lunar terrain. Luckily there's a trail here. Otherwise we'd be doomed.
I bet there's some pretty crazy hikes to be done in South Dakota.
Yeah. Good morning from Coppock's Corner.
There it is.
Oh, look at that. That is breakfast du jour.
Breakfast of Champions.
Let's see where Coppock's Corner is located. Oh my gosh.
Near Montier Street.
Oh, it is.
The intersection
We're at
of
Makoshika.
Makoshika, yeah.
Let's see what's happening in this neck of the Chemic Camp. That looks nice. Little Rick kitchen. There's the kitcheneer right there. Good morning, Rick.
Toothpaste?
Yeah, you got toothpaste around your mouth. It's okay, you look good.